Welcome to the last episode of Deep Thoughts Thursday. I am Megan Ramey, the Safers to School manager. On October 26th, 4 days before the demonstration at the Hood River Middle School was removed, I asked the students how they felt about the removal, and here's what they said.
Wait, this was just a trial?
Yes.
Oh shoot.
What are,
Well,
what are
I
your thoughts on that?
I think it was I think it was really safe, and I wish it was here for good.
Did you know it's Tuesday is the last day of the demonstration?
No, I didn't.
No.
No.
And what are your thoughts on that?
I really liked it. I'm kind of sad because it really helped getting to school and not like being all over the road.
Tuesday is the last day of the demonstration.
No.
What are your thoughts on that?
What about the bike lane?
What about the bike lane?
It's gonna go away. Like, how are kids gonna bike without getting hit by cars?
I think it's definitely important to have, but also you need parking.
Okay, parking where?
I'm not sure actually, but I think that we should keep the
Great
bike.
thing to have, like, from the middle school up, like, all the way up there, because then it can help people get.
What are your thoughts on that?
I think they should keep it. I feel like it's good for biking. We biked on it in PE, and we went to Jackson Park, and we also went to Rocky Road. I think they should keep it because I think it helps with bikers and walkers. Because there's some parts when you're walking that there's no
Many
crosswalk.
people?
I've seen a few people. I just don't see why they would rip it up. It doesn't affect the car lane. It just helps people that bike. I think it was good. There's no point in taking it down. It helps, but didn't take away from like the learning experience or like the cars. Didn't affect them at all either.
Last day of the demonstration, and they're gonna take it
Really?
up. Yeah. What are your thoughts?
I am sad
You're sad. Why?
because it helps bike to school. Me bike to school because so I don't have to bike in the street.
Been one of my regular interviewees,
Yeah.
and this is our last donut Thursday, and this Halloween is the last day of the demonstration. What do you think about that?
I am disappointed because it's really useful.
Yes.
And yeah, I am sad that they're taking it out because then I will either have to bike like on the very edge of the road or on the sidewalk, which is uncool. And I think a lot of kids like it, and yeah,
Okay.
should definitely keep it.
Okay.